friends, welcome to another episode of Smart Drive. Here we are testing the dashboard cleaner from Zesta. Right now we have some irritating stickers over here from the service advisor from Maruti, but when I removed it, the glue is still there. I feel some sticky part. As you can clearly see, it's still sticky. Whenever I'm cleaning this thing, it's already attracting dirt from all over the place. So now let's check whether our new dashboard cleaner from Zesta will work or not. So it is highly recommended not to sprinkle this cleaner on the glass. So let me cover with the Zesta microfiber cloth and let's check whether it works or not. So right now I think the gummy part has gone, but let's try one more time. I will let it soak some of the glue, tingling with the finger, and right now I'm not able to feel the stickiness. It is already gone, but now there is a permanent mark, like a dark mark over here from the gum, and as you can clearly see, I am happily wiping out the black part, vertical and horizontal edges. This is quite a different meshy pattern, so it will take some time. I can feel some gum over here. Let's try one more time. Making a circular motion. Okay, gummy part is still here due to dashboard cleaner. I can't feel it, but it is attracting the dirt. Let it soak for some time. I'm now using microfiber cloth once again. Okay, visibly it's quite clean right now, but let's see whether it is able to make the move of this sticky mark or not. I think it haven't made all clear, but let's see, hope for the best. So I think this will wipe out after next cleaning. This was quite sticky, so it is quite recommended to use it for 2 or 3 times. It's time for another side. These were regular fingerprints, so no worry about that. You can see the cleaner is making its move very fast. No worry to wait here. I can remove this thing. The outer side, you can see the cleanliness, so it is quite clear right now. So hoping this stickiness will not come back. This is quite glossy right now and my finger is not sticking that much, but prior to this cleaning it was sticking too much. So thanks for watching. This was the quick review of dashboard cleaner from Zesta. Thanks.